The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall. Blood clot ball. Cause me afraid of you. Want me sit down and ball cause me afraid of you. Me not afraid of you. Me not in a them the argument then with you cause you a baby. Me not in a them. Try you. What me a try you for? Me not no time for try you, man. More me know say is a workless blood clot house chichi. House chichi. Now house chichi. They are yam down the warehouse and a yam pan the warehouse back. Yes, same way. Same way, God Almighty. Same way. See it there? House chichi. So your name, yes? House chichi. Me can't read. Oh, me fi know what your name. Yeah, that's how you tell me what your name, because you know me can't read. So me by right and good and not even the right name you give me. Me no know. Me can't read. Me can't read, but at least me build somewhere where you do with your education, you walk on your under your foot bottom. Lift up your foot, make it come up, come give you something. Lift up your foot, make you get something. Lift up your foot. Lift up your foot, brethren. You foolish ras. Said if education no give you nothing, what me I do with it? Why you never take up my job? I jealous, you're jealous because you go take education and me take whole life. So you come now jealous over whatsoever I have. Ladies, stop bad mind me for what me have. Me no bad mind you for your education, so don't bad mind me for what I have. I don't bad mind you for your education. If you got none, cause pussy me see you there press the last month. Me no see you going nowhere, you work a bar, you so blood clot thief. You have to come home every you no have me say you don't have nothing over me. I don't care what you want, say you don't have nothing. You don't have nothing at all over me. Nothing me have over you. Cause you live in a warehouse, you live in a dog house. You should go down to Buff Bay, down to the dump. You, but how you for rent from dog? How you for rent from Jankro? Who is you? Who is you? Me never know your number. What me know your number from? I know you. Me not have. Move your blouse and skirt and go. Me all you have to do is pay your rent. House chick. She said me cannot read. She said me cannot read. And she have to tell me this morning what is her name. So she said I know her right name. People are right name. People are the right name. All she do, she sit down here and send her son go work. Son woman can't get no money because she take the whole of the money. Sit down here now, I press pussy. Nah, do not know. And then all she just sit down a ball pa. Who this, who that? Lady out to forget 2 teeth in a for your pussy that you don't make no time more and pitney. You couldn't get 2 plyboard. I want to make for your pussy. You should have made God make your journey line 2 times. You don't get no pussy at all. For your pussy, you use it the wrong way. Lady, you use your pussy the wrong way. So stop jealous of another woman pussy. That's why you of course, you can't talk to me because you're in my house. Me can't talk. Me can't talk. You hear? Me can't talk. You can't talk to me no time at all. No time at all you can't talk to me. But me can't talk because you're in the dog house. Oh, disrespectful. Who is you? Who is you? Don't to your son you want to fuck you because your son can't give $1 out the road. Every money you collect for yourself. You want to continue for your money and the boy can't have a girlfriend see you because the money have to come to you. See the wizard there? It's not a witch, this is a wizard kind of look. Fear, she a cause pussy and it no look like fear pussy. No look like fear pussy, no do nothing fear. So she a cause about who for pussy good and who a sell pussy, so who would she have? She's not a witch, she's a wizard. She's not Delilah, she's Samson. A pretty done this with Thumper. And you got Thumper. You don't look like a pretty Dan alone have Thumper. You have Thumper too. Pussy hole. All drunk, all dog. Don't a buff beer, you should have done a dump with the rubbish truck. This woman, they in my place. No one pay no rent. All she want do a walk around my place. Yeah, I'm a tough fucking come like me can't even come out of my house, me come around on my back part or something. Boom! Well, when me look, she want put her car in me yard, the man no buy car, man borrow car. They no own car. They no rent garage. When me look every little thing, this woman come here and take over me whole complex. And she not breed and carry me come here. She carry 3 sons come here. And the biggest one, she say him bright and she not send him to college. She send him up a juicy beef go work. And she collect the money, the boy can't even have a girl see a she. I mean never know all them there something there. Cause me never do no background check pan her. Me just say, sure. You know me I'll go for a couple of weeks, so me just rent the front house and left. Now me stuck here for a couple of months. House chichi. You don't want to pay rent. Rubbish truck man gonna work you there in a house with man. I never knew all unless you chew you that get chewed make you want run in here so fast. House chichi. And then you don't want to pay your rent. Rasta! Check me now.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall. Skilla, big up and respect to each and every one, you know. Now, the video me just show you a while ago, viewers and subscribers, it shows up somewhat of an argument between 2 persons, you know what I mean? And based on some of the things that has been said in the video, it would seem as if one of the person is a landlord and another is a tenant, right? Now, whenever I see videos like this, viewers and subscribers, I always try to give the best advice there is. And I'm talking about positive advice. With all the cussing and the fighting we are going, you know, all over the world, you see me? Disputes, argument and all these things, you see me? And sometimes these arguments will escalate till it end in a violent way. You get me, viewers and subscribers? And with something like that that's happening all over the world, you see me, we have to try and find a better way to solve the differences. Now, I am not going to point fingers and say that that person is wrong or that person is wrong. No, I am not going to do that. Because in my point of view, I do not think that the whole cussing and fighting solve any form of problems, viewers and subscribers. I don't think it solves anything, right? And I'm saying this because of experience. See me? Because I am from a place where yards are close together and the whole cussing and arguing and fighting happened on a regular sometimes. You see me? We might not know what caused the argument will happen in this video that I see a while ago, viewers and subscribers. But however, there is only one thing I have to say really and truly, right? Me hear a part of the video where the person that would seems to be the landlord talk about rent not being paid, right? And me hear other things that have been mentioned as well. You see it? Now, if at some point or something could have caused for the landlord to have a problem with the tenant or the tenant have a problem with the landlord, in my point of view, I think the best thing is for the 2 persons to separate, you know, to try and find themselves apart if they cannot come to somewhat of an agreement. You see me? But to get up and argue every day and this whole dispute and cussing, you know what I mean? It's not going to solve anything and it just might get worse. You know what I mean, viewers and subscribers? See if you can try and solve your differences in a better way. Because believe you me, you see me, it's sometimes these things will lead to an argument. It all started out of a misunderstanding, sometimes just confusion. And you would be surprised to realize what is what just by sitting and talking with the person that there is some form of a dispute that is happening between the 2 persons. Alright? Yeah, we need to fix a better way for you them future. so that the youth then can grow up in a peaceful and loving world. Alright? Yeah. So now let me know what you think about something like this that is out on social media, viewers and subscribers, where it shows of a person, or should I say 2 persons arguing. However, based on what has been said in the video, it would seems to be an argument between a landlord and a tenant. Alright? So until next time, if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Tenant.